challenges you every day with debilitating frequency. Comes again and again and again. It's like a good old visitor that by now you know very well. Not good enough. Not giving enough. Not doing enough. Not intelligent enough. Not educated enough. Not skilled enough. This causes us to feel challenged to the extreme with debilitating frequency because it comes up for the most ridiculous reasons every day of your life, and not just once or twice, sometimes hundreds of times, especially when you're dealing with things that are new and unknown and that feels like it's challenging what you already know. How do you deal with not good enough? Firstly, suspend the need to want to understand how everything is going to work going forward. You cannot determine how everything is going to play going forward because right now that remains the unknown, and it's going to require your presence, your participation, your availability, your willingness. There's a whole formula that needs to come together in order for a result or a construct to be delivered out of that. How do you deal with not good enough? You need to reassure yourself. How do you reassure yourself? You remember what you're good at, and then you appreciate it. Because what can you appreciate about yourself right now that actually you managed to do just yesterday? When you also thought that you didn't have enough, that you didn't know enough, that you didn't have enough money, that things weren't going to work out, you will see, and your life is proof of it, that every single day you will always have enough, even though it doesn't feel that way. Every single day you will be enough, even if it doesn't feel that way. What can you appreciate that you are already doing? That is enough, that you're doing well, that you can feel proud of, that you can feel, this is my best. I've given it my best shot. And that's enough.